Well, house 2 is epic, it's grand, it's beautiful, it's classic, it's classy. You know, like a lot of big words there.
Yes.
But this is called the Sherwood and it's from Clarendon Homes. I
Okay.
mean, first impressions.
First impressions, I love the wraparound balcony. I love the rock. It looks massive. It looks luxurious.
It's a very grown-up house and I think you'll quite enjoy it.
Great.
Should we go have a look?
Let's do it.
Follow me.
Thank you.
Come on in. Bedroom and suite there.
Yeah.
We'll come and explore that.
Okay.
But I want to show you this first. Epic staircase.
Epic staircase. It looks like it leads to something even more luxe than what I'm seeing right now.
It's Hollywood,
This is
isn't it?
stunning.
And then you have this.
Oh my goodness. What an open space. I love how it's sort of one flowing area that you could open the doors to. You almost have 2 living areas if you wanted to make that.
Yeah.
And then the kitchen, which again, it's massive, and then you can kind of tell that there's something behind there, which would lead to potentially a butler's pantry.
I think you might be quite right there,
Yeah.
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 I think we should go up this dramatic staircase,
Yes.
pretend that we're movie stars.
Okay.
Because I'm not kidding when I say that the walk-in robe in the ensuite
Okay.
up here
Yeah.
is one of the most spectacular we've ever seen on the show.
Wow. Okay.
It's a big
Thank
claim.
you
Should
so
we go and
much.
investigate?
Yes, let's do
Follow
it.
me, milady.
Thank you.
You could potentially turn this into a slide as well for the kids.
Wouldn't that be great? Or even for adults.
Yeah. So come on into your boudoir.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
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 It's a lot, isn't it?
This is phenomenal. It's a lot, but it is stunning.
And a sunroom. That
Yes.
must be a Queensland thing because I don't know, that wouldn't fly in Victoria because you'd be forever freezing
Or in Canada.
or
Yeah.
too hot.
I love how open it is, and again, everything just flows. It's one big massive room. This is
Yeah.
absolutely exquisite.
I mean, really, it's like the size of an entire apartment
Yes,
up here.
yeah.
Sure, and have a look at this.
Yes.
Come on in.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I've seen it before, and every time I walk in here, I'm just like, God, it's
Look at the
massive.
storage. It's massive. It just goes and goes.
It's like a boutique department store,
yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah. Wow.
God,
I
it's
love
huge.
this. You know how I love my baths, so
Yeah.
this is perfect.
I mean, this is the biggest, most opulent version of this house you can
Right.
build.
Okay.
You can tone it down, you can build a smaller version of it.
Sure.
So lots
Yeah.
of things you can do to alter the floor plan.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you're wanting to build your revenge house, your forever house,
Yeah.
and stick it up your ex, this is how you do it.
This is how you do it. I can't believe how much room there is. Like, this is just a room in itself. It just goes and goes. It is exquisite.
So this is ground floor. The front door entrance is just behind this wall.
Great. Yeah.
And you have a bedroom
Yes.
and a bathroom next door.
How great. I think it's so great. Like, I've got my mum in Canada. She can come and visit. Not a lot of stairs to climb at all. Very functional as well. She's got a bathroom right there. I think this is such a great room.
Great ground floor suite, great
Absolutely.
mobility access.
And great size as well, right? Like, even the bathroom's a beautiful size.
Yeah, everything's opulent in this house,
Yes.
right? Everything, yeah. Oh my God. Do you like it?
I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the space. There's so much space here as well. It's not just like a tiny little row.
Yeah.
The storage is insane. You've got beautiful high top benches as well,
Yeah.
which I really appreciate.
So, I mean, it is a very opulent kitchen.
Yes.
And there's a beautiful butler's pantry around the corner, which
Yeah.
leads to the laundry there.
Yeah.
But I mean, they're really up-spec'd you here on the storage and everything. Plenty of bench space to do prep
Yeah.
and bits and pieces. But can you imagine your 3 little kids?
Absolutely. And I can watch them all, make sure they don't move.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
a wooden spoon on their hand if they're trying to pinch
Yeah,
stuff off a
100%.
cheese board.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't think you're allowed to hit them these days, are you?
No.
But anyway, minor details. This is like a real vibe for me.
This is such a vibe.
How nice is it looking back?
Oh, it is absolutely stunning. And again, it's a huge space, so you could really have so many people there. You've got a beautiful bar there that you can overlook the gardens. You've got a great fireplace that I can see. And still a little bit more grass where the kids can play. Like, there's just everything here for adults and kids living.
It is definitely one of the most beautiful houses we've had on this show. And I like this just because of the flexibility in those floor plan layouts. Remember, you could add a whole interior design concept to this house that would be super fun, playful, or coastal, or Hamptons. But it is worth having a look online to see those options. It is the Sherwood from Clarendon Homes, and you'll find all of those details at clarendon.com.au. And after the break, it is time for my curveball. It's house number 3.